Forward. And put the hands. Backward. Really feel it. Your shoulders should be sore. Ooh. And now, onto our calves, ladies. Ready? Up. Back. Up. Back. Up. Back. Double time! You should have seen that coming! And now to the floor. And get that leg as high as you can. Double time. Alright, switch sides. Alright, that was really good warm up. Now we get to the hard stuff. Ready? Bring your knee as high up as you can. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling enhanced. Really working that breathing? Alright, my favorite, the squats. Spread those fingers as you go. We all know how everyone likes a nice tongue finger. Really get deep, deep, pop at the top, squeeze those cheeks. Really reach as high as you can. Alright, and double time. And this is my absolute favorite. Ready? I like to call this one the mummy. Ooh, flick those wrists. No one wants a chubby wrist. Gotta work on toning those up. I'm sweating. Ooh. We're gonna do 24 row row. This is our final move. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time for a cool down. And really rock with it. Feel that stretch. Wow, I am feeling good.